The wave texture die, designed by cardmaker JJ Bolton, is one of a series of dies designed to give more interest and depth to your card backgrounds. Texture dies give that extra layer of detail to cards without making the design feel too busy or crowded. The fluid stitched lines of this die are reminiscent of a rolling wave, falling rain, or gentle winds. For different looks, try ink blending over the background to make the stitch marks pop. Or use the lines as a guide to add your own hand stitching. This die cuts a full A2 sized panel, but has just enough border to allow you to trim it down and allow the card front to show. This standalone wave texture die is available at waffleflower.com. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for more creative ideas.